Yeah, guys, please do wait. Once the sir has joined, we'll start our event.
Shavni, sir has joined.
Sir has joined. Okay. Still your name. I am unable to see. Sir. Can I start, Namrata?
Yes, you can start.
Yeah. Hello, sir. Good evening, sir. We welcome you. A very warm good evening to everyone present here. I'm Shravani, host of this evening. I thank you, everyone, and VC Talks, RA's April virtual event. As you all know, this is our second virtual event on the guest series to inspire many students and fill them with the potential and zeal to rise up as high as someone can. And today, with here we have a phenomenal person with us today. He is the founder of Stumax, which is a cloud-based online student community portal, and they have connected to across and 1 lakh students gets motivated every day. And after graduation, the sir has joined the Infosys and was a system engineer at various levels of international banking clients. And he was a campus recruitment trainer for many reputed colleges also. And his zeal for meeting new people and innovating them, and an everlasting thirst for connecting the students and helping them has made him to start us to Max. He's an entrepreneur and a public speaker and a motivator and also a man of action. Most importantly, he was an achiever, and he has stood in the Forbes 30 Under 30 Asia 2018 list. And today it is my privilege on behalf of the Electronics Club from Srinidhi Institute of Science and Technology to introduce Mr. Sri Charan Lakkaraju Garu to our all students, and we welcome you heartfully, sir.
Hi.
Hello, sir.
Hi, Shravani. One second. I'm just
Hello, sir.
arranging the thing. So, how many audience are there today?
Namrata, can you speak?
Shravani, I'm unable to see the audience list actually. Ask Sharath, no?
Yeah, Sharat.
It was 40.
Yes, sir. 40 students.
That's okay.
Still they are joining.
Are we waiting, Sharath, or we are starting?
We will start, sir.
Okay. Am I audible?
Yes, sir. You are audible, sir.
Okay. Can you see my camera
Yes, sir.
also? Yeah. Oh, thank you. So, once everyone is ready, then we can start.
Yeah, sir.
Hello, sir. Hello.
Yeah, sure.
Sir, now the count is 72, sir. We can start the session.
Okay, Sharat. Thank
Thank
you.
you. Okay, thank you, sir.
Yeah. Hi, guys. First of all, thanks for inviting. I know all the members of the electronics club and whoever are the other students of Srinidhi. It's been a while that I spoke with students. I know you guys were very busy with your exams and whatnot. First of all, very good to see that people are continuing the club meetings, because these are clubs which are giving you the platforms to ensure that the innovation, or at least the discussions, are carrying forward, because the most of the times these discussions might not be directly affecting your mind, but they always inspire you in an indirect way, where some or other positive things will come out of this meeting. So first, am I audible, or this platform is very new for me? I don't know. WebEx.
You're
It's
audible.
Yeah. It would have been better if
You're audible.
it is audible, but I'm just saying this is very distracting, where people are leaving the meeting and joining the meeting. It is visible on the screen. So sometimes you feel as if people are just walking out of your room. So uh, Zoom would have been better. But anyways, okay. So I know Namrata has gave me an input saying that talk about your inspirational journey, or it should be an inspiring talk. But I just wanted to say what is inspiration, or because even when you're doing a talk series, most of the talks are so redundant. When I say they're redundant, everybody says that you have to do great things, you have to do great stuff to get inspired. Uh, what's inspiration after a point of time? Because maybe let's make it more interactive. I'll ask Sharath, what inspires you, Sharath? Let's have a conversation. Maybe we can ask different people to engage in the conversation. At least that will make people understand few points, or at least take away a few points from this conversation. Sharath, what inspires you?
Sir, the
At
new
least to do some
technology.
innovation or something.
Yes, sir. Hello?
New technologies.
Yes. Mostly mobile
Yeah, go ahead.
technologies, sir.
Yeah.
Because I love all the mobiles, and I show a lot of interest in watching and evaluation in mobile phones, uh, and, uh, and also in doing projects
Okay.
and other stuff.
Okay. Shravani, what motivates you, or what inspires you, Shravani?
Yes, serving the people according to their requirement. We have to prepare a product and meet their requirements and fulfill their needs. Like new thoughts of innovating as per their requirements inspires me more.
Okay, taking requirements and preparing, which is catering to the whole purpose of their requirement. Okay.
Yes.
So then, in one of the talks which I gave long time back, I told innovation means innovation. Like something like people always talk too high about innovation. We talk about I need innovative stuff, and sometimes when you are in Srinidhi, I know the kind of pressure that you go through, where you people say every other day that you need to innovate something. But does innovation come out of regular stuff? Because the biggest pain point that one needs to understand is that innovation doesn't come out of the regular conversations. That innovation comes out of solving sometimes simple problems. A lot of people think about solving complex problems, but people forget that solving simple problems is the toughest thing, because most of them have to adapt to it. When I say adapt to it, when the solutions which are to the simple problems, the simple solutions, become more popular than the complex ones. There are lots of chat messengers which are very complicated. Like I said, now we are in this web conferencing platform, WebEx. This is by one of the global's leader called Cisco. Cisco's product is WebEx, and on mobile, sometimes it is most uncomfortable product. But it's a very efficient product. It's a great web conferencing tool used by very big companies as part of the Cisco's license. But when you go and take it into a very simpler product, when you see a simpler video conferencing solution, everybody, it's easy for them to understand, to navigate within it. So, the innovation is to make something simple. Innovation sometimes is like, it's not about making something complex. It is about making something simple. Someone raise his hand. Do you want to ask a question? Or it is done by mistake, I guess. Okay. So these are the very small things, where we need to understand, like in a simpler web conferencing tool, it would have been more easier for us to talk, because people expect like lots of complexities in a conferencing tool. They shy away from it, or they leave, or they don't even understand how to navigate through it. When I say navigate through it, it's all about the experience. That's where what Sharath was telling about mobile technologies or the user experience, because the UI and the UX is the most important thing, because what is the interface, what is the experience of a user? It can be a speaker, or it can be an audience, or whatever, whoever, about the experience. So the innovation doesn't mean that something doing out of the box. It's about doing very small things. So chinna things change. How many people don't understand Telugu here, Sharath, by any chance? Everyone understands Telugu here, right?
Yeah, everyone understands, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good. So people think that doing innovation means doing పెద్ద కాంప్లెక్స్ థింగ్స్ చేస్తేనే ఇన్నోవేషన్ అనుకుంటారు, కానీ యాక్చువల్గా అయితే చాలా చిన్న సొల్యూషన్స్ చేంజ్ చేసినప్పుడు కూడా అదొక ఇన్నోవేషన్. సో టుడే ఐ వాంటెడ్ టు టాక్ అబౌట్ కపుల్ ఆఫ్ ఇన్నోవేషన్స్ టు యూ, ఆర్ బ్రింగ్ బిఫోర్ యూ some of the innovations where people are appreciating those innovations. I met this student called Shivraj in Indore. This guy is working on something called an electric bike. But that electric bike, he created a kind of a model, because in a bike there are different models, like let's say street bike, dart bike, or a sports bike. There are different bikes which are there as a different models. So he created a bike which can transform itself into different models with a single body, where the handle changes. If it's in a street mode, it is different. If it's a sports mode, the handle is different. So it modifies itself. The bike in okate bike different models ki transform avadaniki vachinna innovation, how to change the handle for the same existing bike. So the bike rider, same bike in different models, and the bike runs on electricity. So here electric bikes charge electric, then what is the innovation there? When I say innovation, it's like, very simple. He could have just created another electric bike, then it might not be an innovation, because people are seeing lots of already electric bikes in the market. But one needs to understand how, if he can modify it. If you say, like, if you tell a user that this is very customizable according to your mood, or according to the road, or according to your taste, or according to your time, if you modify your bike, then it would be one of its kind, because no one tried it. So sometimes innovation here might not be just going into the next level technology, but changing things which are there existent in the market according to the user's utilization. Those smaller changes can be a great innovation and the whole point is, all innovations might not be commercially viable. If the innovation is commercially viable, then it becomes into a proper startups or business. The first step is getting an innovation. The moment the innovation, if it is commercially viable, it becomes a kind of a proper business setup. All innovations are not commercially viable. Sometimes it might cost you more, but is it worth enough to spend that much amount of money, is the question that you have to ask from the business terms. So you have to keep in mind, innovation and business both are like, not always on the same terms. So all innovations cannot be business too. There's another second business which I keep giving that example to a lot of people. 2013, my friend's father had an ice cream factory. Most of the ice cream factory, it was a B2B ice cream factory. B2B, when I said, they used to supply ice creams to the catering companies or hotels. Hotels doesn't have branded ice cream as such. The Swagats, or you see all the hotels where people serve the raw vanilla ice cream. And this guy returned from US and he said, father's business is not doing great. The bills don't get processed. He understood that his uncle also owned an ice cream factory. Then he said, why can't I put the same ice cream into a blender and create a thick shake? That's how the thick shake factory took birth. The innovation here is about not selling ice cream in a different way. It's about that ice cream into a blender and adding different products will make into different types of thick shakes. So the innovation here can be a small ice cream converting into a thick shake will give into a proper innovation, which will lead into a business model. The same ice cream which you have to sell at 30 rupees or 40 rupees, today as a thick shake, you are selling it at 160 rupees to 180 rupees. So from a business point of view also, it makes sense. So the idea here, what I'm trying to convey to you guys is like sometimes out of problems, out of your own problems or out of problems from your own inner circle, we get innovations which are very, very simple. Because you said the title itself, it was saying like Arise April. I know we are in April, how to arise and how to create thoughts or how to create business models. Rather than thinking about complex business models, it's all about simple business models which are coming out of smaller innovations only. And sometimes when we see from a college point of view, people keep telling about, you have to do blockchain, you have to think about, like the people say someone has started, they say like Pythons, MERN stacks, mean stacks, idnechkoala, IoT and AWS. Many names వస్తుంటాయి. టెక్నాలజీస్ నేర్చుకోవడంలో తప్పులేదు, బట్ అన్లెస్ యూ అడాప్ట్ దోస్ టెక్నాలజీ. ఒక వెబ్సైట్ బూట్ స్ట్రాప్ లో ఉండొచ్చు, ఒక వెబ్సైట్ ఒక థీమ్ తీసుకొని చేయొచ్చు, ఒక HTML చేయొచ్చు. ప్రోడక్ట్ కి టెక్నాలజీకి డిఫరెన్స్ తెలుసుకోవాలి. A end user will never worry about which technology you have used. He only asks you whether it is comfortable to him or not, whether the ease of using the product or whether that innovation is useful to him or not matters to him, but he doesn't care about whether you have used certain blockchain technology or artificial intelligence or you have adapted a machine learning model. He doesn't worry much about it. He only sees the business need of it. So innovation just doesn't mean using modern technology and claiming that, okay, fine, I have used a modern technology, I have innovated it. No, you have just renovated it. Innovation is about simple stuff. And when you are thinking about simple things, making something complex is a very easy job. Making something simple is a real innovation that people always appreciate. How are you making things simple? అందుకే అంటుంటారు ఈ టెక్నాలజీస్ అడాప్షన్ చేసినప్పుడు ఏదైనా సింపుల్ అయిందా అనేది ఇంపార్టెంట్. ఇప్పుడు ఒక కస్టమర్ కేర్ తీసేసి ఒక AI చాట్ బాట్ పెట్టొచ్చు, కానీ ఆ చాట్ బాట్ కరెక్ట్ గా ట్రైన్ అయితే కరెక్ట్ గా ప్రాబ్లమ్ సాల్వ్ అయితే, సింపుల్ క్వశ్చన్స్ కి ఒక హ్యూమన్ ఇంటర్ఫియరెన్స్ లేకుండా మనం ఒక చాట్ బాట్ తోటి రిప్లేస్ చేయొచ్చు. ఇట్ ఈస్ కాస్ట్ ఎఫెక్టివ్. ఫ్రమ్ అ బిజినెస్ పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ కాస్ట్ ఎఫెక్టివ్ and it solves the problem for the basic queries. Unnecessarily a basic queries కోసము ఒక హ్యూమన్ రిసోర్స్ అవసరం లేదు. దట్ ఈస్ ఇన్నోవేషన్. కానీ ఒకసారి ఆ ఇన్నోవేషన్ కి ఒక లిమిటేషన్స్ ఉంటాయి. వీ హ్యావ్ టు రెస్పెక్ట్ దోస్ లిమిటేషన్స్, బట్ ఎట్ ద సేమ్ టైం ప్రతి దాంట్లో మనం దాన్ని అప్లై చేయలేం. అండ్ సమ్ ఆఫ్ ద క్రేజియర్ థాట్స్ వీ గెట్ అట్ స్టూడెంట్ ఏజ్ have to be appreciated, because now we think with minimal knowledge. చాలా మంది అంటారు ఇంకా చదువుకొని కొన్ని రోజుల తర్వాత థాట్స్ ఇంప్లై చేయాలి, ఇప్పుడే కాదు, యు ఆర్ యంగ్, యూ హ్యావ్ టు లెర్న్ అనే స్టేట్మెంట్స్ పాస్ చేస్తుంటారు. బట్ యాక్చువల్లీ వెన్ యూ డోంట్ నో సంథింగ్ యూ కమ్ విత్ క్రేజీ థాట్. వెన్ యూ స్టడీ ఎవ్రీథింగ్ యూ డోంట్ కమ్ విత్ క్రేజీ థాట్స్. యూ థింక్ ఇన్ అ వెరీ మెచ్యూర్డ్ వే. And matured thinking will never give you more innovations. Getting innovations or thinking innovatively will happen more in the college days itself. As you grow old, you start becoming more practical. You start thinking this will not work, this might not work, someone else might have did this. ఇప్పుడు కాలేజ్లో ఉన్నప్పుడు ఎట్లుంటుందంటే ఆ కాన్ఫిడెన్స్ ఉంటుంది, ఎవరు చేయలే, వరల్డ్ నేనే ఫస్ట్ చేస్తున్నా అనుకుంటాడు. అప్పుడు వానికి ఆ థాట్ వచ్చి he starts working on that idea. But just imagine after a few years, he becomes more practical, he becomes more pessimistic, his optimism goes off. So అందుకే కాలేజ్లో ఉన్నప్పుడు ఉన్న ఇన్నోవేటివ్ థాట్స్ తర్వాత it slowly kind of a fade off in a manner where he loses that mojo factor inside him. So one piece of thought which I wanted to share to you guys is, be as crazy as possible when you are in your college days, because that brings the whole thought process, or that brings different solutions to the problems which you are having. There is lots of other things beyond technology where someone, recently I met, has created a pani puri vending machine because he didn't want anyone can just take puris and just there are different pipes, it senses, and you can just get the water which is filled from the back end. So there is no human interference. So it's like you swipe your card, you get these many puris on the conveyor belt on the plate, and you can go in different taps, and you can just take your puri there, put your stuffing, and eat. Small innovation, a pani puri vending machine. Sometimes those smaller, I met one other guy who just did idli vending machine. Because of COVID, they wanted some vending machines without human, because they wanted that experience in a mall. In Pune, it is established now. So these are the small innovations where in real life, the technology is applied. Because unless a technology or a product is not created for a common man or a day-to-day, that innovations don't scale big. They remain as innovations only. Because a lot of people have created lots of robots. How many robots are being utilized is the question. Someone created a moldable, kind of a foldable bed, a hospital bed or a foldable bed which is useful for old people at home. But are we seeing such foldable beds everywhere? But if you see a small stool, which is an innovation in its own way, people are working from home. So there are small comfortable tools which you can put it on your chair, where you can put your laptop, and there is a kind of a small provision for putting your coffee mug. That's an innovation. And those things sell fast. So those smaller products, think about such innovations where you can create physical products, because those products will inspire you, or at least will attract a lot of market. And there is a kind of a market where you can make hell lot of money through those smaller innovations, which you can focus on. Because those are the products which have nothing to lose. You can create a prototype or an MVP. If someone likes it, they fund it. You never know, you go and strike the gold with such smaller innovations. So I think these are the few points which I wanted to talk from my side, and talk in a very, very straightforward manner. And I'm happy to take questions which make sense for the people who can just have some takeaway today, rather than just uchnama, innama and a type dakunda. But maybe we can just always have a kind of a meaningful interaction here. Yeah. Can anyone moderate and just help, or people can just unmute and ask questions in an order? Because I come.
Yes, sir. Sir, what is mean by MVP?
It's a minimum viable product, Shravani. It's like, let's say a prototype. A prototype is known as an MVP, which has all the basic product, kind of a sample product. You call it as a MVP. Yeah. Before going for the mass production.
questions. Please put it in the chat box or unmute yourself and speak.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, hi.
Sir, like, as you have mentioned earlier that like when we generally get ideas, but when we try to formulate it or give it a form, we realize that the idea is already taken or already exists in some other form. So how do we get a brand new idea, like something like that?
I'll tell you. What's your good name?
I'm Namrata, sir.
Yeah. Okay, sorry. Fine. I didn't see your name here. Thanks
Hi.
to the great WebEx. Okay. So, first things first, Namrata. Like, let's say when I put it like this, how many of you know about email? You know what is email? People know email, right? Gmail, Outlook, Yahoo Mail. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yeah. We've been seeing emails from last 2 decades. Now there is a new company which raised 300 crores last week. It is known as Superhuman, which is known as an email service, which is a gamified email service. So sometimes it's known as Superhuman. You guys can check. Newton is one company, Superhuman is another company. It is email service for the corporate companies. They can have their own email service using them. But to use an email, you have to pay $30 every month. To use an email service, you have to pay how much? $30. So, do you think email service is an innovation, Namrata?
Yeah, it is because it is offering for free.
No. The Gmail is free, right?
Yeah.
So then he said, doing another email is an innovation?
No.
No, but he said, the founder of Superhuman said that he is charging for email and he created a gamified version where it will tell you which are unnecessary mails, they automatically get deleted.
Yeah, then it is innovation, sir.
That is innovation. And he's targeting only CEOs who don't have time, who cannot have much time to skim through each and every email in their inbox. So my answer to your question is sometimes rather than thinking always about something new, okay, someone already has implemented, how better you can do the existing thing also is an innovation.
Yes, sir.
What is lacking in it? What customers are feeling the pain there? How can we create something which is new where he feels, okay, fine, I can create something better is also an innovation. No need. A lot of people in the college always feel everything is getting innovated. I am still in Srinidhi.
Yes, sir, exactly.
That is a feeling that most of the students have. Like అన్ని అయిపోతున్నాయి, అన్ని innovations అయిపోతున్నాయి, నాకు ఇంకా బీటెక్ అయిపోలేదు, నేను కాలేజ్ లోనే ఉన్నా, ఎలక్ట్రానిక్స్ క్లబ్ లోనే ఉన్నా. కానీ యాక్చువల్గా there is always a scope for every person. About ఎక్కడో ఒక దగ్గర చిన్న గ్యాప్ ఉంటుంది. ఆ గ్యాప్ ని ప్లీజ్ ఐడెంటిఫై అండ్ స్టార్ట్ వర్కింగ్ ఆన్ దాట్. యా.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Sure.
Yes, sir. There is a question in the chat box. What is the best way for executing a thought?
Jotting them out and doing strength analysis and then doing a market research for that idea. Whoever you think that వీళ్ళు నా టార్గెట్ కస్టమర్స్ అని మీరు ఐడెంటిఫై చేస్తే, వీళ్ళు నా పేయింగ్ కస్టమర్స్ అని ఐడెంటిఫై చేస్తే, అలాంటి పేయింగ్ కస్టమర్స్ తోటి ఒక చిన్న సర్వే చేయడం. అప్పుడు ఆ ఐడియా, ఆ థాట్ కరెక్టా, నిజంగా ఆ థాట్ వాల్యుబులా కాదా అనేది వాళ్ళ సర్వే నుంచి మనకు తెలుస్తుంది. So always start doing surveys with ask relevant questions about your thought or idea to people. Get feedback.
So the next question is, what are the steps we need to follow whenever we are going to start a new business?
So basically it's all about 4 steps, Andy. It's always idea first, validation of the idea, and then identifying a right team, because team ante It should not be like మనం సేమ్ బెంచ్ లో కూర్చున్నాం అందుకే ఒక టీమ్ ఇలా కాకుండా it's about how you identify a team as like people who are not like you. That is very important, unlike you. And third is execution process, and fourth most important thing is choosing a right time to launch. What is relevant to the current time is very important. ఎందుకంటే ఓసారి అవుట్డేటెడ్ ఐడియాస్ ఉంటాయి. ఈ టైంకి సూట్ అయ్యే థింగ్ మాస్క్ అనే కాన్సెప్ట్, నేను మాస్క్ కంపెనీ ఇప్పుడు పెడతా అంటే వేస్ట్. ఒక 1 year బ్యాక్ if I would have started a company which was manufacturing mask, it would have been a great idea. Sometimes idea ki correct timing అనేది కూడా చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్. శానిటైజర్ కంపెనీ ఇప్పుడు పెడతా అంటే చాలా శానిటైజర్లు అయిపోయినాయి. It's about how you create a right product at a right time. How does the economy be a factor? Yes, economy also plays a big role. Let's say if you are a mixed economy or a capitalist economy, the way you look at things is different. If you are a communistic economy, then people have their own version because it's a government run entities. So, and again, our target audience also, whom are we targeting? Are we targeting masses? Are we targeting the top of the pyramid guys? You should understand where is our idea suitable. Jaguar showroom, Yamnampetla Vetam. Mercedes-Benz showroom, you will not put it in Gatkesar. You should know where to target the right customer. Yeah. How to start the tool note chala on our idea.
Sir, how to start writing?
Choose a journal, talk to IEEE guys, there are lots of other open source journals, and submit your idea. Have a guide. Srinidhi has lots of doctorates or PhDs who are more knowledgeable than me to help you out to do a research paper. Yeah. Nothing wrong in writing research papers, but if the research papers remain research papers, it is a crime. Hope it leads to some innovation. Yeah.
Yes, sir. While going to start a business, and there will be a profit as well as a loss. We fear if we can get a loss, how to resist that and go forward to develop the more and get profit. How can
It's
you
all
suggest that, sir?
All about patience and consistency. It's a roller coaster ride that someone has to mentally prepare to get into. If it was that easy ride, everyone would have done that. You always belong to a minority when you are doing a business. Andarlaga manam gaadu అని అనుకుంటే అలాంటివన్నీ ఈజీ అయిపోతాయి. But it's all about doing more mistakes and not repeating the mistakes again. Do new mistakes. When you do new mistakes, it's okay. But when you repeat older mistakes, the damage will be more high.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Good to see this emoticon sometimes, the thumbs ups, the participles popping up from somewhere on the screen, some smileys also coming in here and there. Great tool. This is the first time I'm talking on WebEx on phone. It's very interesting for me also.
Yes, sir. There is a question like, how can we express an idea to a company to implement in their own company?
Mail them.
Oh,
Mail them. Talk to some person whom you know. Go with the right reference. When you go with the right reference, you always can reach out. Simple and basically, it's all about what you know, kind of whom you know matters a lot in life. Everybody knows everything these days because they have an Android or an iPhone in their hand. Google untadi kada. Everybody knows everything. It's all about how do you know someone. What you know కన్నా whom do you know. ఇప్పుడు గుడిలో దర్శనం కావాలంటే అయ్యగారు తెలవాలి కదా. అప్పుడు దర్శనం తొందరగా అయిపోతుంది. అప్పుడు నాన్నగారికి ఎంత నెట్వర్క్ ఉందండి అని అనుకుంటాం మనం చిన్నగా ఉన్నప్పుడు. మా నాన్న చాలా పవర్ఫుల్ అని, ఎందుకంటే తొందరగా లైన్లో నిలబడకుండా సైడ్ ని తీసుకెళ్ళిపోయాడు. అట్లనే మనకు ఒక ఐడియా ఉన్నా ఏదున్నా ఒక కంపెనీలో అయినా ఇంకో దగ్గర అయినా ఎక్కడైనా తొందరగా రీచ్ కావాలి అంటే ఇట్స్ ఆల్ అబౌట్ whom you know that matters a lot. Someone asked EC3G, how are you so cool? తెలియదండి
Oh
యాక్చువల్లీ
yeah, sir,
శ్రీనిధి.
it is me, Namrata. Like I have seen you in a talk in our Srinidhi college. I mean, during the college, then there was a heroine, sir. I mean, I don't remember her name, but there was one heroine. She was talking something, and everyone were laughing. I mean, like they were responding a lot. But when you come, like we were all silent, and you were like throwing a lot of అంటే చాలా బాగున్నాయి సార్, like my attitude and all. How are you so cool, sir? I always wanted to ask you. అప్పుడు కూడా I wanted to ask you, sir. Like బయటికి వచ్చి కానీ like I was afraid at that then.
ఏం లేదండి, అట్లేం లేదు. దిస్ ఇస్ ద ఓన్లీ థింగ్.
సరే ఇది కూడా మళ్ళీ.
I think I answered your question, Amrita.
Yes, sir. Yes.
So nothing much. It's all about being original is more important than anything else, rather than faking it. When you are original, you are unique because nobody can be like you. Am I right? Did I answer?
Yes, sir. Super cool again.
But it's good to interact with you. Like, people see, I'll tell you guys one thing which I saw in students is they don't talk frequently. You can reach out to me on Instagram. I'm there on Instagram as Sri Charan Lakkaraju, the same name which you see on the screen. There is only one name for me. So it's like, at least you can start talking and start bouncing off your ideas. I'm happy to validate. I'm there on Instagram. You can just drop a message and say, I got an idea, because idea will never tell you that I'm coming tomorrow morning 8 o'clock. రేపు మార్నింగ్ 8 o'clock 5 అట్లా ఐడియా వస్తానేనో అని చెప్పదు. సో యూ నెవర్ నో వెన్ యువర్ ఐడియా పాప్స్ అప్. సో యూ ఆల్వేస్ బీ ఇన్ టచ్ అండ్ స్టార్ట్ బిల్డింగ్ యువర్ సోషల్ నెట్వర్క్. నెట్వర్క్ క్యాపిటల్ అంట నేను ఎప్పుడైనా. ఇట్స్ ఆల్ అబౌట్ సోషల్ క్యాపిటల్ ఆర్ నెట్వర్క్ క్యాపిటల్. సో యూ షుడ్ ఆల్వేస్ హ్యావ్ ఎ గ్రేట్ నెట్వర్క్ విచ్ విల్ ఇంప్రూవ్ యువర్ నెట్ వర్త్. నెట్ వర్త్ ఆటోమేటిక్గా ఇంక్రీజ్ కావాలంటే నెట్ వర్క్ ఉండాలి. దట్ విల్ వర్క్ ఫర్ యూ. సో ఇన్నోవేషన్స్ విల్ వర్క్ ఇన్ అ బిగర్ వే వెన్ యూ నో మోర్ పీపుల్. Because think beyond Gatkeser is very important for people. Good. Few thumbs ups, few claps, few party symbols made my life better. Some people leave the meeting. Yeah. I'm not that interesting for some people. I think they might be watching Jati Ratnalu on Amazon Prime. Yeah. On a Sunday evening, why should people listen to a webinar? They have better things to do. Let's make others feel jealous. Okay. You're more updated than us, sir. Okay. We try to be like you. Why to be like me? First question, why to be like me? Why can't you be like you itself? It's better to be like you. That helps you in a lot of ways than being like someone else. It's better you be like you. You are unique. You can sell yourself better. Any more? I think I'm just checking out chat because Shravani is not helping. You are more updated than us. Can't help it. I'm latest. New insights. How are you so cool? Okay. Sharath, any more questions? Or boring people?
Yes, sir. Can you know the difference between an entrepreneurship as well as a business?
Entrepreneurship is like supermarket and business is like a kirana shop. Entrepreneurship is all about scale. scale. You grow it big. You don't worry about loss. First, you scale the business. You build a brand. Once you build a brand, you don't worry about profit and loss first. That's the reason you raise funding. Once you build a brand for yourself, then you start looking at profits. That is what happens in entrepreneurship. You look at scaling a very bigger brand first. ఒక ట్రావెల్స్ ఉంది, ఒక టూర్స్ అండ్ ట్రావెల్స్ ఉంది, ఒక ఓలా ఉంది. ఓలా ఏంది అంటే అందరికి తెలుసు. అదే శ్రీ సాయి టూర్స్ అండ్ ట్రావెల్స్, పీర్జాదిగూడ ఆర్ యమ్నాంపేట్ అంటే ఎవరికి తెలియదు. ఈసీఎల్ క్రాస్ రోడ్ అంటే అక్కడికి తెలిసిపోతుంది శ్రీ సాయి టూర్స్ అండ్ ట్రావెల్స్. అది బిజినెస్. అది టూర్స్ అండ్ ట్రావెల్స్ ఈజ్ బిజినెస్. ఓలా ఈజ్ entrepreneurship scale. I hope I answered questions in a very, నేను చెప్పింది అర్థమవుతుందా లేకపోతే కామెడీగా ఉందా అంటే నాలకి?
అర్థమవుతుంది సార్.
ఓకే, ఎందుకంటే నాకు డాక్టరేట్ లేదు కదా, నేను శ్రీనిధిలో లెక్చరర్ కాలేను, అందుకే ప్రాబ్లం. సో జస్ట్ స్టూడెంట్.
Sir, there is a question in the chat box. Sir, what's your ideation to start Stumax entrepreneurship?
స్టుమాక్స్ జర్నీ ఎందుకు స్టార్ట్ చేసారో వాడు ఇంగ్లీష్ లేదో కష్టపడి అడిగాడు, నాకు అర్థం కాలే క్వశ్చన్ చూసిన. సో ఐడియా ఏం లేదు. ఐ స్టడీడ్ ఇన్ అ వెరీ స్మాల్ కాలేజ్. ఐ మిస్డ్ ఐఐటి విత్ ఫ్యూ మార్క్స్. దెన్ హౌ టు గెట్ డిస్కవర్డ్. ఒక చిన్న కాలేజ్ లో చదివినా కానీ టాలెంట్ ఉంటే పైకి ఎట్లా రావాలి అంటే ఒక ప్రాబ్లం అది. I wanted to address that problem or create a platform called Stumax. That's how I created a platform called Stumax, and the rest is history. Yeah.
So, sir, what made you to leave the job in the Infosys and go to the artist to Max only?
If I was an Infosys, why would you invite me to a webinar?
Yeah, yes, sir.
So it's all about just being serious. It's like, you can't be one among many in life. This is only one life. You have to have fun, right?
Yes, sir.
And even if you fail, what happens? You can always do your MBA and again go back to any job. At least in starting days, you should work with smaller companies, expose yourself, learn more things. Once you learn things, you can always, come back to any company and you can always get a job. That's not a problem at all. You getting my answer, Shravani?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Good. People are feeling that this guy is not at all professional, I guess.
Not like that, sir.
How is Narasimha Reddy sir doing? How is his health? It's been a while that I spoke.
He's superb. Like that only, sir. Same.
As young than us.
Yes, sir.
Good. So thank you guys. Hope you follow me online. I'm available on Instagram, LinkedIn, and others. Just let me know. Any support you require, happy to, and maybe we can catch up sometime physically in the college in next couple of months. Hope things settle down. Yeah.
Yes, sir. It is a wonderful opportunity to explore with you, sir. We can present you nothing but a more gratitude this time. Thank you a lot, sir, for taking your valuable time and inspiring us. Thank
Thanks,
you so
guys.
much, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Yep.
Thank you, sir.
So Sharvani,
Yes, ma'am.
congratulations a lot again. You people organized such a wonderful session, and keep it up like this only. Okay?
Thank you, ma'am. Thanks for your help, ma'am.
Yeah, congratulations again. Okay?
Yeah, ma'am.
హలో శ్రావణి,
Yeah, Namrata.
అందరు శరత్ ఉన్నావా?
ఉన్నా.
జూనియర్స్ అందరు లెఫ్ట్ అయిపోయారా?
36 members.
ఇదే మాల్ అండ్ ఒకసారి అందరినీ నెక్స్ట్ సెషన్ కి రండి అందరు. ఓకేనా?
Yeah.
ఓకే అన్న.
Shavani, out of thanks.
Yeah, thank you everyone for attending the session, and we hope the next events also you will attend with the same patience And please feel free to ask your queries if at all any other person is there for you. Like open up your ideas and ask the doubts also, so that they can be helpful for us, and we can get to know the what's going on outside also. Yeah, thank you everyone.